Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. In today's card project share, I'm going to be showing you this very dimensional butterfly card that I created using my dies from Spellbinders. I do have a tutorial and a supply list for this card in my blog, and I will be leaving you with those links in the description area below, and also right up there in that corner. I give you the measurements and step by step on how I put this card together. And so, yeah, let me show you the dies that I used in the creation of this card. I used the Spellbinders Brilliant Butterfly. I went ahead and used die cut one butterfly and two of these flourish leaves to put one here, actually three, one here, and one here, and there is my butterfly. And I also use this inner part right here of the Spellbinders Tallulah Frill Layering Frame dies, and that part is called the Lace Flower Frame. It's this right here. Let me see if I could. It's this part right here. Very beautiful. You could do a number of things with this set of dies. And so, yeah, I just love combining my Spellbinders dies. And of course, I use the Amelia Rose paper stack from Prima to do this. And what I wanted to do something different with this card. Lately, I've been creating a lot of cards, and I've been doing a lot of glam, a lot of gold and everything. This time, I wanted to stay within the glam genre, but I wanted everything to pop out at you. And then I thought that this paper stack or paper pad was the perfect design for what I wanted to accomplish. I just wanted it all out there, all youthful, like right in your face, and I just wanted it to be alive and happy. And that is why I chose the colors that I chose for this card. And as I explained in my tutorial, there's a reason why I have this here and this here. And so yeah, I hope that y'all visit me in my blog so you can see the full dimensions and the full step-by-step and a full supply list of everything that I use on here. And I will also leave you with a few links of the supplies, some of the supplies that I use in the description area below as well. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see y'all again real soon. Bye.